Aries men are known for their passionate, confident, and energetic nature. When an Aries man has feelings for someone, he is usually direct and expressive about it. However, deciphering his interest can still be challenging at times. If you're wondering if an Aries man likes you, here are some key signs to look out for. 1. He pursues you with enthusiasm. When an Aries man is interested in someone, he will pursue them with great enthusiasm. He is not one to shy away from expressing his attraction and will make his intentions known. If he likes you, he will initiate conversations, make plans to spend time with you, and show a genuine eagerness to get to know you better. His proactive approach is a clear indication that he wants to take things further. 2. He seeks your attention and admiration. Aries men thrive on attention and admiration, and if one likes you, he will seek your attention in various ways. He may go out of his way to impress you or make you notice him. He will take pride in his accomplishments and share them with you, seeking your admiration and validation. This display of effort and a desire to be in your spotlight is a strong indication that he's interested in you. 3. He displays protective and possessive behavior. Aries men have a natural instinct to protect those they care about. If an Aries man likes you, he will display protective behavior towards you. He may become possessive or jealous when other potential suitors are around. While it's important to maintain healthy boundaries, this protective nature is a sign that he sees you as someone valuable and wants to ensure your well-being. 4. He includes you in his exciting endeavors. Aries men are adventurous and love to take on new challenges. When they like someone, they want to share their exciting endeavors with them. If an Aries man includes you in his activities and invites you to join him on his adventures, it's a clear indication that he enjoys your company and wants you to be a part of his thrilling journey. Being included in his plans shows that he values your presence in his life. 5. He expresses his emotions openly. Aries men are known for their straightforward and direct approach, and this applies to expressing their emotions as well. If an Aries man likes you, he will not hesitate to tell you how he feels. He will openly express his affection, compliment you, and make it clear that he's attracted to you. His verbal and non-verbal expressions of emotions will leave little room for doubt about his interest in you. 6. He initiates physical contact. Physical touch is an important aspect of a romantic connection for Aries men. If an Aries man likes you, he will initiate physical contact. He may hold your hand, give you hugs, or playfully touch you. These gestures indicate his desire for a deeper level of intimacy and are signs that he wants to explore a romantic connection with you. Understanding the signs that an Aries man likes you can be easier due to their straightforward nature. By observing his enthusiastic pursuit, his desire for attention and admiration, his protective behavior, his inclusion in exciting endeavors, his open expression of emotions, and his initiation of physical contact, you can gauge his interest in you. Remember, Aries men are passionate and direct, so if you're reciprocating his feelings, don't hesitate to show your interest and enjoy the fiery connection.